Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to unlock TCL LX from TrackPhone Wireless, alias known as Alcatel A502DL. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, it's showing invalid SIM card with a different operator SIM. Normally these phones from TrackPhone Wireless run customized firmware, so you don't have actually any options to unlock it. As you can see, the model and is running the latest firmware. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and OT Smart module latest version. So the unlocking for this model works by writing a specially made unlock firmware by us, which can be found on the support area. So let's select the model from here. And from the operations box, I'm going to choose write firmware and choose the A502DL unlock firmware, which, as I previously said, can be found in the support area. So once the firmware is loaded, I'm going to power off the device. So once the device is powered off, I'm going to press connect on OT Smart software, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to insert the USB cable on it. And it should be detected by the software, and the operation starts. done. Only 3 minutes. So now let's remove the USB cable and power on the device. So we are in the configuration menu. Okay, so now you can see we don't have any invalid SIM card message. Now we need to go in settings and enable the 2G, allow 2G service, and now we need to wait a little bit. And as you see, we have here full signal, Vodafone Romania, so everything went okay, as you can see. So I'm glad that we could bring you this solution. So thanks again for watching, thanks for using our products, bye bye.